Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 204 named count primes. In this problem, we are given an integer n and we have to return the number of prime numbers that are strictly less than n. Suppose for the value 10, there are 4 prime numbers which is strictly less than 10, which are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now the constraint are the value of n can be in between 0 to 5 into 10 to the power 6. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, this is an old problem of sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, the sieve algorithm will determine which are the prime numbers in the range between 1 to n. Suppose here the n is 21. Now, by default, in the sieve algorithm, the value 1 is prime. So it is P here. Now we have to do the algorithm in the corresponding way. Suppose currently we are at this element 2. Now, except this element 2, we have to discard all of the multiple of 2 as the non-prime number. So here 4 will be non-prime, 6 will be non-prime, 8 will be non-prime, 10 will be non-prime, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. All of the multiple of 2 except this element 2 is non-prime. Okay, so far so good. Now, for this element 3, we have to do the similar operation. Except the element 3, we have to discard all of the multiple of 3. So here we have to discard the element 6, 9, 12 again, 15, 18 again, and 21. Now, for this element 5, we have to do the similar operation again, except the element 5, we have to discard all of the multiple of 5. So the first multiple is 10, then 15 again, then 20 again, and so on. Now, for this element 7, we have to do the similar operation. We have to remove the element which is multiple of 7, which is 14, which is 21, and so on. So here, if we continue this operation, suppose so far so good, we have found the element which is not marked yet which is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. And surprisingly, all of these elements are prime numbers. So here, by using this algorithm, which is the sieve of Eratosthenes algorithm, we can determine what are the frequency of prime number in the range between 1 to n. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this algorithm, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named count primes. Now, initially, we have taken this prime vector, initially marked all of the element between 1 to n as the prime number. And the value 0 and 1 are the false because 0 and 1 are the non-prime numbers. So here, in the description of the algorithm, I have tell you that the value 0 and 1 are the primes, but this is not true. It is non-primes. Anyways, by default, the value 0 and 1 are non-primes. So here we have to run a loop from 2 to n, and we have to check whether the current element is prime or not. If the current element is prime and I square is equal to n, this is for the optimization. Now we have to run another loop which starts from I into I to the n, And in each iteration, we have to increment j by the I. So here we have to mark the corresponding element as non-prime. Now we have to take a counter and we have to check how many prime numbers in between 0 to n. And we have to upgrade the counter. Finally, we have to return the counter value. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.